What's going on, everyone? This is Thomas from milezero.racers, and here we are bringing you another build series. This time it's going to be on a 1974 CB450, and we're going to do something similar to the Club Sport build. It is a 1975 CB750 that I have built, and the goal is to build the 450 similar to the 750, with its own unique touches, of course. In this build series, you're going to find videos from start to finish documenting the step-by-step process on building this from its original form to the final form. So with that being said, we're gonna get right into it with a little B-roll of the original form of the bike. Let's go. Enough talking and more music.
Yeah.
Homage got the vibe.
I hope you all enjoyed that little montage of the 1974 CB450 in its original form, because guess what? That's going to be the last time you see it looking like that. And I know, purists, I'm sorry, but we are going to be chopping, cutting, and redesigning this vintage Honda. Now, just a little disclaimer, not that you care, but you know, I have a true passion for the raw history of these motorcycles, and it's in part of my vision, part of my plan and execution to take that raw history and design of the original bikes and redesign them with modern versions and styles and designs and parts to be something more spectacular. Enough of me talking, let's get right into it. Cue the music, and we're gonna get into a little time-lapse version of me in the teardown phase. Let's get it. Sorry, purists, but it's too late to go back. I already started cutting some tabs off the frame. Well, what are you going to do? Blow me up in the comments. I would love to see a little controversy going on in there. That'd be fun. This bike took me about 3-4 hours to get this thing fully apart. I think everyone is going to be in for a little bit of a treat on sort of my idea of plans for this build. So that's going to wrap it up for the first episode of a fresh build series of a 1974 CB450 with a new style that we have never seen on a chassis like this. And remember, if you dream something, build it. It's possible. Here's a prime example of that. I dreamt it, I built it. And that's what you're going to do. And at Mile Zero Racers, we are one team, one family, and that's all you can ask for. So bam, enjoy. Can't wait to see you in the future.